Well, hello, it's day 2 and we're here where the sleeping bags are. We're staying in the same place for the second night. Everything's been fine. It's been really, really tough. Funny moment today, Stuart fell asleep in this place where they were feeding us, and when he woke up he said to me, "Simon, why are we doing this?" And I know exactly how he felt. It's been really, really tough. Mentally, physically, my hips are killing me, my shoulders are killing me, my neck's killing me. It's pouring down with rain today, but these are the emotions that you would go through living on the streets.
Yeah.
We've not been phoning our wives, speaking to our families, we've got no wallet, no anything apart from this video machine to put on YouTube. So we've not been in touch with anyone, but that's how people live on the streets, they're not in touch with families and things like that.
Yeah.
So it's been really, really tough. And we're having an early night tonight, and we've got guests. We came back to where we had our where we've been sleeping. There's 2 other lads, an Italian lad and a lad from Salford, and I think they're pretty glad of the company. So we've had some great times.
It's been a good day. You know, it's been the lads found it pretty rough to start off with today. I've been finding it pretty rough as well. You know, it's sort of like a lot of emotions coming back from when I used to live on the streets, and sort of like loads of different things coming back in my head. So it's not just these 2 lads being fresh on the streets, it's me as well with a lot of stuff coming back. But you know, yeah, God's good, man. It's amazing that I'm seeing things through different eyes, and yeah, sitting in drop-ins and all that and chatting to people, it's nice, man. But
We've eaten well, haven't we, boys?
Oh yeah,
We've
one
eaten well.
thing you will eat in Manchester. You know, without a doubt, you won't go hungry. But the only thing that I'm sort of like seeing that's missing is sort of like a mentoring sort of thing. All your needs are met, but you know what, the spiritual needs they're just not being touched at all, and that's the reason why people just keep coming back, I reckon. Yeah.
Well, there's that. There's the distances as well. So there's plenty of food available. It literally is taking all day just sorting out those basic needs. So we got up in the morning, and the first thing was half an hour trek to get our breakfast, and then we spent an hour or so there, and then you're sort of coming up to lunchtime, and the next place that serves lunch, because different organisations take on different things, was an amazing place called Cornerstone, but it was 45 minutes walk. You've probably seen it's been raining today, so we're all like, Simon's hips are killing, my feet are killing. Right, Bear Grylls is doing.
I'm okay.
doing fine. Yeah, he's loving it.
Went busking.
Yeah,
We've made some money.
Yeah. Well, in all seriousness, tomorrow the only service available is at 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So we can get a decent breakfast, and then the next time a service is open to serve us food is 7:30 on Sunday. So we've got 24 hours after that point. So we've had to do a bit of begging, we've had to do a bit of busking and stuff. So I've made 170. The Proe has made £5. and
I've been collecting cardboard.
Yeah, Simon got
I've been
a bed.
collecting cardboard for the beds, and that's you have to swallow your pride getting in the back of a skip in the middle of Manchester, and people looking at you thinking you're a scruff.
Thinking we are scruffs.
Yeah,
We have become scruffs.
Yeah. But it's
But it's
going
survival.
well. Yeah, it's going really well, and we've had some great conversations with people, really making friends, seeing the same people time and time again in the different drop-in centres, or when we're walking the streets and stuff, because they're basically on the same timetable as what we are, because it is just real survival. So great. Well,
And to Jane, I'm fine. I love you. I shall see you on Tuesday, and I miss you.
Anything to your wife, Stuart?
yeah, Helen, it turns out you are right, because in fact they won't give to me, so I'm going to starve to death. Cheers for that.
Jason, Craig, Alfie, I'm loving it. It's great, man.
He's loving it away from you three
It's
guys.
a holiday. It's a busman's holiday. Yeah, man. No work.
Anyway, God bless. Speak to you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you guys. Bye.
Bye.